So it's been chilly, but we do have the bird serenade to enjoy. And spring flowers, grape hyacinths, they multiply nicely. Daffodils collected over many years. And the little flowers of epimedium, a great ground cover for dry, shady areas. I've decided to experiment more with composting leaves and dead stuff from perennials from last year right back into the garden instead of bagging them up and sending them to the city's compost facility. These daylily grass-like leaves are tucked away, and I think the new foliage will cover this all up. I'll pluck the sweetgrass out of the lovely Geranium renardii, and now is the time to enjoy the useful and pretty serviceberry tree. Soon the berries will attract cedar waxwings. And the eastern red cedar, the correct name is Juniperus virginiana, is a great tree for birds. The berries are feeding many species right now. It's warming up. There are new things to enjoy every day in the garden. I'm Kathy Renwald for thespec.com.